Hello guys, welcome back to Solution Mitra. So today question is form a quadratic equation with root is rational coefficient, one of whose roots is 3 plus root 5. So we have to find a quadratic equation with rational coefficient. That is the point, rational coefficient. And the one of the root is this equation is 3 plus root 5. So let's see how we can find. The first thing is I write the standard form of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And if we have given the roots of this equation as alpha and beta, if one of the root, like here alpha, is in the irrational form like a plus root b, then definitely the second root will be a minus root b. It means the irrational roots always found in pair. Now the second thing is that we have given 3 plus root 5 as one of the root of the required quadratic equation. So definitely the second one root will be 3 minus root 5 by this property. Now we know the sum of the root of any quadratic equation is minus b by a. Minus b is coefficient of x and a is coefficient of x square, and the product of root is uh, c by a. C is coefficient term and a is coefficient of x square. Now if we have given sum of root and product of root of any quadratic equation, we can find the required quadratic equation by this manner: x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. It means I can found any quadratic equation if we have given its two roots, then we can find the sum of root, product of root, and we can generate the required quadratic equation. Now in the given question we have found that two roots of the required quadratic equation is 3 plus root 5 and 3 minus root 5. So we can apply this property in the given question. Now what we do, first we write the sum of the roots. So then the sum of root will be 3 plus root 5 plus 3 minus root 5, which gives us 6. Then I found the product of root. So product of root is product of these two terms, which gives us 4. So sum of root is 6 and product of root is 4 of the required equation, required quadratic equation. Now what we do, now we generate the required quadratic equation in this manner. First thing is I write x square now minus, and the sum of root is 6. So 6 into x plus product of root, and product of root is 4. So 4 equal to 0. Now you can see that this is a quadratic equation and this is the required quadratic equation, which has one of root as 3 plus root 5, and we have asked that we have to find quadratic equation with rational coefficient, and you can see the coefficient of x and coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 1 here and coefficient of x is 6. So these are rational number. So we have found a quadratic equation with rational coefficient. That is the thing we have asked in the question, and we found the required condition by applying these property. I hope you understand the concept. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and take care.